Let's take a look at what Ramp Treasury looks like within the Ramp platform. You can see that we have the new Treasury tab in the left-hand side navigation when someone logs in. This is what it looks like when they click on Treasury. Here we can see that they have a Ramp business account with $100,000 already deposited in it. If they click on that, here is the main dashboard for the Ramp business account. They can see their earnings rate and their earnings to date this month. They can click on a variety of time horizons to see deposits and transfers into and out of the account. They can see scheduled transfers, as well as a history of transfers. And they can choose to move money into the Ramp business account. There's 3 ways to move money in. The first is to wire funds into the Ramp business account. Here's all the wire information that can download via PDF or copy everything if they need to send it to whoever is wiring. Wires will settle the same day assuming that the bank sends it before 5 p.m. Eastern. A business can also manually transfer funds into a Ramp business account. They can choose how much they would like to transfer, choose where they want to withdraw the funds from, and where they want to deposit them to. Then it will always show the date by which the funds will settle if they are doing a transfer via ACH. Most ACH transfers settle the same day, but it can take up to 5 business days for ACH to settle, especially if it's a larger amount or a first-time deposit. Then you would click Transfer. And that completes the one-time manual transfer from a connected bank account to the Ramp business account. The third way to transfer funds is to build an automation. There are 2 types of automations that a business can build. One is a target balance. The other is a recurring transfer. Recurring transfer means I want to transfer $50,000 from my connected bank account to my Ramp business account every week, 2 weeks or month, starting on a certain date. In that way, I can make sure that I'm constantly transferring a set amount into my Ramp business account to cover payments that are coming up. You can also build an automation. This is a target balance automation. That means I want to maintain $100,000 in my account. I'm gonna withdraw from my connected bank account. You can trigger that either based on a day of the week. So, every Wednesday or a different day. Or you can trigger it based on an account balance. When my balance dips below $50,000, I want to top it back up to $100,000. And so in that way, we're automating transfers into the Ramp business account. Businesses can set their Ramp business account to be the default payment option for their Ramp bill pay, their reimbursements, and their card statements. They can choose which of these things they want to turn on as a default payment for Ramp. Then they would save and exit. That would set the Ramp business account as their default payment for the payments that they are doing in Ramp. They can also set up approval policies. They can set an approval policy for manual transfers. They can also set an approval policy for the automations that they built. This is a nice custom workflow. There's a couple templates that someone could choose to use, no restrictions, or require approvals, or they can just fill it from scratch. This allows the business to define who they want to have to approve when money is getting transferred between accounts. They can set any admin, or they could specify a particular admin or owner that they want to have to approve. They could also set up a notification, or they could also set up a condition. So maybe they only want to require an approver when it's past a certain amount. You could choose to make it an explicit approver in that case instead of any admin. Then when they save this workflow, anytime there is a manual transfer that's set up into the Ramp business account that meets these criteria, Ramp will move that through the automated approval process automatically. Finally, the Ramp business account will automatically sync deposits, withdrawals, and the cash earnings to the connected ERP. They can go into the Accounting tab, click Treasury, and then see the transfers that will get pushed as journal entries into their ERP. This is another way to expedite the reconciliation process at month end. That's the gist of the Treasury tab. If a business wanted to add multiple business accounts, so, for example, if they wanted to have one business account that was the receiving account for all transfers from a connected bank account, but they wanted to delineate a card spend account or a specific AP account to manage the cash a little bit differently, they can always do that. Most of our customers find that they just need one business account. 99% of our customers only have one business account and are able to manage everything through this single business account just fine. But they can choose to organize things differently if they want. This is also where a business can open an investment account. Each business entity is only able to open one investment account. The investment account provides access to invest in the FUGXX Money Market Fund, a fund provided by Invesco Premier, which offers a competitive yield, very low minimum deposit of $1,000, and no transfer limits. We also waive all account and management fees. Buy and sell orders into and out of the investment account settle the next trading day, and funds continue to earn overnight until the moment they settle, so you don't miss out on any potential profits. This provides businesses with a lot of flexibility to earn yield without locking cash up.